Get your morning started with this delicious peach coffee cake recipe. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Sweet Delights, the channel where we share mouthwatering recipes and delightful treats. I'm Rishan, and today I have a fantastic recipe for you that's perfect for breakfast or dessert: peach coffee cake. Before we dive into the recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious creations. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup sour cream, 2 cups fresh peaches, peeled and diced. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing just until combined. Gently fold in the diced peaches until evenly distributed throughout the batter. In a small bowl, prepare the streusel topping by combining the flour, granulated sugar, cold cubed butter, and ground cinnamon. Use a pastry cutter or your fingers to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until crumbly. Spread half of the cake batter into the prepared pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the batter. Repeat with the remaining batter and streusel. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the coffee cake is baking, prepare the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Once the coffee cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee cake. Allow the glaze to set before serving. Thanks for joining us today on this delectable journey to make a homemade peach coffee cake. We hope you enjoyed the recipe and will give it a try in your own kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes like this one. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.